Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are back with a very new video for you. Today I am going to talk about National Educational Policy 2020. So, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated a conclave on transformational reforms in higher education under the National Education Policy. As you know, National Education Policy has come after the 34 years, which is a very big gap. The first reform in the education has taken in 1986 and now it has taken in 2020. So, the Prime Minister in his speech explained how the National Education Policy 2020 would make Indian students global citizens and would lead them in the 21st century. He also praised the policy of being helpful in structuring the thought process of the student. The conclave was organized by the University Grant Commission UGC and the Ministry of Human Resource Development, which is now Ministry of Education. It would be discussing various new initiatives that have been introduced under the new national education policy announced by the government in the past week. Education Minister Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, Minister of State Sanjay Dhotre, Vice Chancellor, Principal and Head of various higher education institutes were all present to hear the PM's address. So I will give you the key highlights of the news. So here we go. So the first reform which has taken in our education system is 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 education system, which has 5 years of fundamental stage, which includes 3 years of play school and 2 years of class first and second, and then there is a preparatory stage of 3 years from class third to fifth, and then there is a middle stage of 3 years which include class sixth to eighth, and then finally there is a secondary stage of 4 years which include class 9 to 12th. And the national education policy expand the age group from 6 to 14 of mandatory schooling to 3 to 18 years of schooling. So the Prime Minister has started by saying that he was very glad that no one opposed the policy and he would do his best to execute the National Education Policy 2020. The policy would make the students future ready and match the social and technological status of the world. Now move to the second point, the difference from old education policy. As you all know that our old education structure is 10 plus 2 of schooling, and now it has changed to 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 education structure. So the Prime Minister Modi explained how the new educational policy focuses on how to think and opposed to what to think, being followed by the previous education model in India. Now the next point is research and technology focused. The policy would help the student to focuses on coding, research and technicalities necessaries to make the students global citizen. It would bring the gap between the technology and education in India, said the PM. Innovation and adaptation are the values that must commence from college in India. For this, higher education institutes need to be empowered and must be given some autonomy. And now the next point is quality education. Quality education is required in India and the institute who provide better education require autonomy, said the PM. He remembered APJ Abdul Kalam during his speech today and said he would try to fulfill the dreams of providing education to make quality human beings. Now the next point is teachers training. National Education Policy 2020 takes care of the dignity of the teachers as well. National education policy also focuses on teachers training because when a teachers learn, the nations lead. I am repeating this. This is a very important line for us. When a teachers learn, the nations lead. The talent of India must stay in India, said the PM. Now the next point is classes in mother tongue. The PM supported the class students being taught until class 5 in their mother tongue as it supports their learning system more than the system being currently pursued. Now the next and the last point is multiple exit options in National Education Policy 2020. The prime focus of the National Education Policy is on the multiple exit options available to the students which would help in them to choose their courses as per their jobs. Imagine you are doing an engineering degree and want to quit it in the middle and want to do a different course in different field, so you can also do that with the new educational policy 2020. If you have completed your 1 years of that degree, then you will get the certificate, and if you have completed your 2 years of degree, then you will get the advanced diploma, and if you have completed your 3 years of the degree, then you will get the bachelor's degree, and if you have completed your 4 years of degree, then you will get the bachelor's degree with research. So the multiple exit option would allow the students to take a break from the current course and pursue a more adaptive course suitable for the job he or she is pursuing. So according to me, the National Education Policy 2020 has a drastic change in our education system of India. And it gives more importance to the knowledge and testing concepts rather than your marks or percentage in your board exams. So it's a very good decision taken by our government for the education of India. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and please stay home, stay safe. Thank you.